Unlocking efficiency, the edge of single identity in oven manufacturing. In the heart of every kitchen, the cooking oven stands as a testament to innovation. But behind the scenes, manufacturers face challenges unique to their craft. One object, one identity is revolutionizing the way cooking ovens are produced. This principle, at its core, ensures each oven has a unique identifier. This methodology streamlines the manufacturing process. By assigning a unique identity to every oven, tracking through the production line becomes effortless. Imagine a world where quality control is not just a step, but a continuous process. Each oven's journey, from assembly to shipment, is meticulously documented. For the factory, this system is a game changer. It significantly reduces the risk of mix-ups, ensuring every customer receives the exact product they ordered. Moreover, this approach simplifies inventory management. A glance at the system reveals which ovens are ready for dispatch and which need further attention. Customer service also sees a direct benefit. With one object, one identity, addressing customer queries about specific ovens becomes straightforward and efficient. In the event of a recall, identifying affected units is quick and accurate. This not only saves time but also safeguards the manufacturer's reputation. One object, one identity is not just a principle, it's a promise of quality, efficiency, and reliability in the cooking oven manufacturing industry.